Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to add border to all pages of a document in MS Word. So very simple and basic way. Click on Design. Here you will see Page Borders. Add or change the border around the page. Here you can select Style. Here you can select Color. You can change size. And here you can select Box, Shadow, 3D or Custom. You can apply this setting all document, this section. Then click on OK. So as we can see, we have 3 pages for this document, and all document has a beautiful border. So thanks for watching, and please comment this video useful for you or not.